What it is, love mama trying to fall and shut, and everyone around you keep an eye on. Lately you more dead than alive.
Hey guys, this is Nick. Welcome to my channel, my video babies. I got something cool for you guys. Living with Jigsaw. Jigsaw is one crazy motherfucker, man. I would never live with this dude. I seen not all his movies, but I know for a fact the worst fucking, he called that games. Oh, that is funny. Killing people as a game, that is hilarious. I love this. Just to find out about this now, I did not know about this. It's been out, they say this video has been out there for years, and I didn't know about it. So I just wanted you guys, I looked it up and I found something. So I want you guys to sit back, relax, eat a snack, and enjoy yourselves. About to hit play. So
now before we do this, let's go over the ground rules. Rule number 1. No touching of the hair or face.
Of course.
And that's it! Now let's do this!
yo, why is a wow?
So, what's it like living with Jigsaw? Not as cool as I thought it would be.
Nah, I don't think so. You think it's cool to hang out with him? Bullshit.
I want to play a game. I want to play a game.
I want to take a shower, so...
The toilet has been clogged with 2 blind paper towels and dirty socks. If you do not fix it in the next 27 seconds, it will overflow, covering your personal electronic devices in filthy toilet. To reach them, you must walk barefoot across a floor covered in razor blades.
Those razors? Just a disposable razors? All you can do is kick them to the side. Wow.
Glasses has been replaced with the blood of a 3-toed sloth.
What? What's that? That shit is fucked up, man. He's fucked up, man.
What do you want? Like, what?
You are completely surrounded by armed mousetraps.
Really? His games are light. I don't think that's that extreme.
Your car has been force-fed to bingo. You must retrieve them in the next 5 minutes using any weapon of your choosing.
Wow.
Control, or you will not make it to the office on time. The choice is yours, Harry. Take the life of your best friend, or be late to work for the 4th time this week.
He's fucking crazy. Well, there it is, guys. Would you live with Jigsaw? Not me. Hell no. I mean, his games in this video, it seems kind of like light, like the razor blades. I could easily kick it to the side and take my electronics and put it to the side and undrain the fucking toilet. I mean, it's that fucking simple. The dog shit though, they put the keys in the dog. You can't fucking kill your dog. So either you gotta come in late or take a cab or a taxi. I'm sorry, that's what I would have done. Or break the glass door of my car, or do something extreme, or call Uber, or do something. But Jigsaw this is funny. I heard another one's coming. I heard another one he made. It's called Working with Jigsaw. So that's the next video I'm going to do right after this. So I want you guys, thank you so much for joining me in this video. In the comment section down below, what you like. Do you like my video? This reaction? It's okay. I love you guys. Hit that like button if you like it. Hit that down button if you don't. It's okay. I love you guys anyway. Until next time. See you on. See you. Deuces.
Oh, and in case I don't see you, good afternoon, good evening, and good night.